A message from a kindergarten completer, Mark Denzel P. Tambalo.
Then, focus then.
Our school's division superintendent, Dr. Roberto N. Mangaliman, Sir, our public schools district supervisor, Dr. Gerardo C. Paghead, Sir, to our fatherly and very supportive school head, Sir Ryan A. Rimandaban, distinguished guests, teachers, parents, my fellow kindergarten completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed morning to each and everyone. Today is a very special day for all of us kindergarten completers. We have learned a lot this year and even how to be kind friends. First, we want to say thank you to our teacher. You have taught us, helped us, and learned more. I will always remember your kindness and patience. And to my dear parents and families, thank you for always supporting me, helping me with homework, and giving me a big hug when I needed them. I love you. And to my classmates, thank you for being great friends. We played, learned, and laughed together. I will always remember the fun times we had in kindergarten. We are excited for the next adventure, and we will keep learning and growing. And lastly, I want to thank God for guiding us in our studies. Thank you everyone for celebrating this special momentum with us. God bless and have a nice day.
Thank you, Mark Denzel. That was a heartfelt message. And now, to formally close today's Moving Up